Hello, everyone. I'm Professor Sunil Maheshwari. The purpose of this recording is to take you through the summer 2025 IFMG 110 business spreadsheet computing course layout. I will explain what is required. I'll explain how you can access all the assignments, and you need to complete all the assignments by July 3rd. This video will lay down the expectations and also will show you the layout of the course IFMG 110. So here we go. I will share the screen with you. I will show you where the course and how the course is laid out. And all these things. So at this time, you should be able to see my screen. The you will log into your course IFMG 110801. This will say my name, Maheshwari, with this for summer 2025. Now, here are certain announcements. Make sure you go over the announcements. To register and to get the textbook, basically, you don't have to do anything much. Just go to the contents section, go to any of the modules, say module 2, and click on any of the graded assignments. And it will take you through the registration process. For the registration process, you can also use, it will also give you the option for 14 days complimentary access if you want. Otherwise, just go ahead and start doing the problems. So all of the assignments are due on July 3rd, which is the last day of the class. So within these announcements, you've got the first announcement as to how to, this is the book that you're going to use, and you'll get the ebook through the D2L. As I explained you just go to the D2L course homepage, click on any of the graded assignment, and it will take you through the registration process. Or you can buy it from IUP bookstore if you want. The other videos gives you how to complete a SimBook assignment. You can click on it, and basically it will take you through how you will complete a SimBook assignment. So it'll take you step by step, and there are other videos which will help you in achieving the same objective. So So you can go through these various Simnet project, Simbook assignments, and you can see other announcements as well over here. That tells you that all the assignments are due by Thursday, July 3rd. And then it also tells you that you've got extra credit opportunities for 80 points. Also have access to tutor.com, which is on the top over here. So if in case at night, if you want to ask a question, you can basically click on this and send your question to tutor.com. You're always welcome to email me at suneel@iup.edu regarding any other questions you might have. Now, when you click the content page under the module 1, where it says introduction to class start here, you'll also find this video, which you are listening to right now. And you'll find a syllabus over here. So once you click on the syllabus, you can download the syllabus. It will look like this. And that explains you everything about the class. This is the same notice that how to register for the class, catalog description of the class. And if you need any technical help, you can contact any of these technical help. Make sure you get the ticket number when you contact McGraw-Hill for any technical help. These are the prerequisites for the course. These are the course objectives. Primarily, we'll be looking at various applications of the businesses using Excel. Now, your course grades are made up of the following items. You've got Simbook Excel assignments, 11 of them. Each one is 20 points and total of 220 points, and that will account for 22% of your grade. Simnet projects consist of 11 Excel guided projects and 5 Excel MOS projects. Then you've got 3 data analytics projects in chapters 1, 2, and 3. And then you've got 5 Excel associate projects for 25 points each, accounting for about 12.5%. In the introduction module, you also have introduction discussion, where you introduce yourself through one of those tools which are listed over there, and submit the assignment in the Dropbox. You also have the opportunity to earn 80 extra credit points. So theoretically speaking, you've got 1,080 points available. You will be graded on the following scale. As long as you score anywhere over 900 and 1,080 points, you have an A. So theoretically, you've got total available points of 1,080, and as long as you score 900 or more points, you should have an A. Now, to complete the Simnet Excel projects, you've got a video over here which you can view. Each of these assignments is worth 30 points. 11 of them should be around 20 points. And 11 of them at 220 points. Similarly, there are 16 projects, Simnet projects worth 560 points, and data analytics project worth 30 points, and so on. So all of these are also distributed over here. When you start, you'll have 5 points for discussion, for introducing yourself. And then for each of these module 2, module 3, and for module 2, you've got these points associated with it. So 20 points for Excel project, 105 points for Simnet projects, data analytics project, and associate projects, 25 points. So module 2 has basically these assignments. Everything is again due on July 3rd. Similarly, in module 3, where you will work with formulas and functions, you've got the following assignments. And that's how each of the module has details of as to where what is to be attempted and what will be graded. So total will be 1,000 points, and that's where your 1,000 points are coming from. Now, how are you going to get those 1,000 points? Again, you go to module 2. So first is your MOS project. You click on it and basically start to do that project. You've got a lot of attempts. You won't really need it, but that's you've got number of attempts which are there. Similarly, you can go to the second one and it will take you through the second assignment. Very similar layout, and you can start to do it. Okay. So make sure that you watch the videos so that you are clear as to how to do any of these assignments. Similarly, you've got Simnet projects, you've got the video for that as well. So over the period of time, you're required to complete all these assignments, and your grade is determined based upon that. July 3rd is the deadline to complete it. I hope it explains everything that is needed. Again, basically go to each of the modules, everything is laid out, your PowerPoints are there for each chapter, all your assignments are there for each chapter which are there. Okay. Thank you. Good luck to you. And that should wrap up my presentation for Start Here module or the layout for the course. Thank you, everyone.